Welcome back to part 2 of the Blues Heart Biker at the Born Free Cycle Show. Let's hit it. Sticker trade shout out! All right, well, today's sticker trade shout out goes out to Garage 51. Sent me a couple of really nice stickers here, and this card that is a little info card. It's got the name of his Instagram page and YouTube there. Really cool guy. He does some really cool stuff in his shop. Garage 51, check him out. Thanks a lot for the sticker trade, and you should have yours from me anytime if you don't already. All right, well, let's go. This is John's Harley here. John's Harley. This is my Harley right here.
Bicycle pedal on the other side. It's funny because it's the least black.
Looks like they painted this one with house paint. The engine. Sonny.
How you doing?
Yeah, my channel is the Blues Heart Biker. I got a YouTube motovlog. Comes on every Saturday and every Tuesday. So how you guys doing? How's the shop going?
Great show.
Show going?
A lot of people.
Yeah.
Getting a lot of questions answered today.
Yeah, great. Well, you guys got great stuff. So
thank you.
So website.
BassaniPipes.com.
BassaniPipes.com. There you go. All right, you guys. Thanks a lot. And I'll take one of these. Why not? I had a whole grip of stickers I was supposed to bring, and I left them in my motel room. So, like an idiot.
Yeah, okay.
So anyways, well, cool, man. All right.
Thank you. The flanger going into the frame.
Yeah. Beautiful.
One handlebar.
Oh, you only got one handlebar. Wow.
Dude, this guy, I see this guy ride wheelies on this fucker.
Wow.
Yeah, this guy's the shit. He should win everybody. Look at that, one handlebar. Yeah, baby. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a wild fucker. I do, man. Improvise. I like it. It's so cool, dude. Look at the branches going into the frame. I don't know if anybody's
The frame is the exhaust pipe. The frame is the exhaust pipe.
I like it. Just for that whole process. That's a straight carburetor. That's really good.
With Meatball.
Yeah.
And you guys know who Meatball is. He was in the movie Bricktown. They filmed it at his shop and does vintage track racing, vintage PSA.
And vintage beer drinking.
Vintage beer drinking.
Yeah. We like to have fun.
I think that like
take over YouTube channels.
I think that new beer drinking is better than vintage.
Yeah,
Old
yeah.
beer's kind of.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter.
I guess if you drink a beer, any kind of beer.
There's only two kinds of beer, good and better.
There you go. There you go. Meatball, and how you doing at the show today?
We're doing very good. We're all giggles and smiles. So come by and have a seat.
Yeah.
Got lots of fun stuff.
They sell a lot of T-shirts here. So if you guys, if you guys want to pick something up, Meatball, you have a
website, hellonwheelsmc.com.
And Instagram or anything?
Yeah, hellonwheelsmc.
Yep.
There we go.
Hell on Wheels MC with Meatball. Thanks, Meatball.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah, y'all have a good. Get up with those keys on your thighs.
Oh my God, the tank is so little.
Yeah, exactly.
Deluxe.
All right.
Yeah. What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Blues Harp Biker.
Oh, nice.
I had stickers, but I, like an idiot, I had a stack this big. I left them over at my motel room. I've come to the big motorcycle show and I forget my freaking stickers.
Ah.
Yeah. So, Layrite. So you guys make the pomade and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Awesome, man.
Layrite Deluxe grooming products. Men's grooming products.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're barbers, man.
Yeah.
Traditional barbers.
Before COVID, I had a pompadour, so I used a lot of stuff.
Nice.
But I didn't get my haircut because I couldn't get a haircut, and then now I got an investment in it. You know, a year and a half of this. And I had a pompadour for 40 years.
Nice.
Kind of a hell of a one now with what hair I got left, but still,
You're looking good. You're looking good, bro.
Well, thank you, man. Thank you. Nice. What's your name?
Donnie Holly.
Donnie Holly, and where can people get your stuff?
Layrite.com. Layrite.com.
I know it well, but for the people out there, Layrite.com. We've got Donnie here and all the gang over here. So thanks a lot for your time. And you guys do Instagram or anything?
Yeah, Layrite Official on Instagram.
Right.
Layrite Official.
Gotcha. All right.
Thanks,
Thanks
brother.
a lot, man.
Thank you.
And look me up. Blues Harp Biker.
Hey, Jesus, beautiful day.
Huh?
Thank you, Jesus, beautiful day.
There you go. There you go.
JD Custom and Fabrication, best aftermarket Harley parts around for your club style motorcycle.
There you go. What all you guys build?
We build the FXRT fairings and all the accessories, the FXRT clamshell bags for all the Softails baggers and FXRs. We do wind guards and DXT fairings, aftermarket FXR side covers, nacelle covers, RT trunks, both top style and full size FXRT trunk racks. We have a big line of aftermarket Harley parts.
Yeah, well, awesome, awesome.
Dash covers for the new Softails if you're relocating your Speedo, and just anything you need to upgrade your bike to the new club style motorcycle of the 2021.
All right. Website?
Website's JD Custom and Fabrication.com. Our online store is JD Custom and Fab at BigCartel.com.
Okay. And you guys have Instagram or?
We're on Instagram, JD Custom and Fabrication.
Awesome.
Facebook, also JD Custom and Fabrication.
Awesome, awesome. All right, well, thanks a lot. All right.
Oh,
thank you, guys. Check it out if you remember Blues Harp Biker. You know, just or Google or search it on YouTube for JD Customs. It'll come up. I'll tag you.
good deal.
Great. All right, guys.
Thanks
a lot.
Appreciate the plug.
You bet. Here it is, the new Sportster S in person. I'm gonna sit on it. I'm gonna sit on it. modern world. We're at the C7 booth, and we have
Eden English.
Oh, glad to meet you. And so what are you guys doing here? You're
Selling t-shirts.
T-shirts and hats and pretty cool looking stuff here, as you can see. And how's the show been for you today?
It's been pretty good.
Yeah, great. So are you a rider too?
I want to be, but my mom won't let me.
Ah, there you go. That's how moms do sometimes. Yep. So how long you guys have this going on?
Well, we started on December 7th of 2018. And we've been doing it for a couple years now.
And you have a YouTube channel?
It's just a personal one, a small one.
Ah, okay. And you guys, now, do you guys have a Instagram?
Yes, it's at Sea of 7.
At Sea of 7. All right. And can they get the stuff online?
Yes.
Where at?
At seaof7.com.
Sea of 7, just the word seaof7.com. Yeah, okay. What all do you guys have? You have stickers, you have hats, t-shirts, tank tops, really cool old school vintage stuff. You guys like the old school look, huh? Yeah. That's really cool. That's really cool. So they got some really cool designs here.
I love this one. For the babies.
Are you guys from Encinitas?
Yeah.
All right, well, you didn't have too far to go. We came up from Fresno, so.
Oh, cool.
All right, well, Sea of 7, thank you very much for taking the time to show us this. I think she's going to get a t-shirt, so. All right, well, thank you. Appreciate it. Keep an eye out.
This one's for all you cretins out there. I want to see some hopping around. Come on.
I think we can do better than that, can't we? Fucking come on! Hey, I give you permission to call in sick from work tomorrow, yeah? Fuck 'em. I wish I was.
happening?
Yeah.
Welcome to Born Free.
Yeah. All right. How you guys doing?
Hanging in there,
Good,
surviving.
good. Yeah, there you go.
A little hot today, but we'll make it through.
Well, where I'm from, it's a lot hotter than this. So I'm from up in Fresno, and it's friggin' hot up there.
Yes, it does.
Yeah. So this is the Shoei.
This is the Shoei booth. Yeah.
And you guys got some new stuff you're showing off?
Got our new RF 1400 that just hit the market about 3 or 4 months ago. So we're really trying to push this guy out here. But we have all of our other other products, I should say, the J Cruise, the JO, Neotex, and GT Airs. Nick's over here doing a good job showing some right now.
There you go. There you go.
Just trying to be out here to support the brand, make sure you guys know what's out there.
All right, right. Website from
ShoeiHelmetsUSA.com.
ShoeiHelmetsUSA.com. All right, well, there you go. All right. Well, thanks a lot, man. Have a good show. Nice to meet you. My channel is Blues Harp Biker. I had a stack of stickers this big, ready to bring, and I left them at my motel room like an idiot. Yes, I did. I'm staying a half hour away from you.
You can take one of ours if you like.
There we go. There we go. We got one. All right. All right. Thanks a lot, man. Great helmets.
Take care. Appreciate you.
You bet.
Trying to sell overpriced and that way you have the
Let Andre spin this thing too a little bit. Come on over here.
Pull the winner for the 2 motorcycles.
We have innocent children pull these tickets so we don't get blamed for rigging this thing like all the jealous haters on the internet think. Oh!
Let's see if we're going to be riding home a motorcycle today or not.
So, again, a quick reminder how this is going to work. You must be present to win. So, just because your name isn't the one that we read doesn't mean that you won't win. They have 5 minutes to claim their prize. Chris Huber is going to set a clock.
Oh, I have to do that.
I'm pretty sure it's going to be me.
And we're going to read the name. He's going to set the 5 minutes. They have 5 minutes to come up. This has happened before. We had to pull 4 tickets to give away a knucklehead. Everybody left. So, and they all got the shaft. So, also, this first pick gets their choice between the knucklehead or the brand new 2020 lowrider. I need to read off a couple of bullet points here.
Gilby Clark, what are you going to pick? What are you going to pick? You're going with the knucklehead. He's going with the knucklehead, you guys.
So the 2020 Lowrider S, the Harley Davidson, has a bunch of all the best from S&S, Performance Machine, Speed Merchant, Saddleman, Olin's, Hard Drive, Kelly Inman.
Let's see what happens here. I'm ready.
Pull one ticket when you're ready, Andre. He's loving it. Is there a name on it, or is it internet?
Okay, there's a name. Taylor Gall. Taylor Gall, 3515. I'm starting the clock as we speak.
But there will be another winner, even if Taylor is here. But we don't know what Taylor may choose.
Taylor Gall, 602 area code. Where's 602?
Hurry up, hold on. We gotta check his pants size, his driver's license.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Dang.
Guys, he's got to show us a COVID card and a lot of shit. This is going to take a minute, okay?
Come here. Hold on. Taylor Taylor, what's your last name again? Gall. Taylor Gall just won a 1939 Knucklehead here at Born Free 2021. Yeah, for $25 he got himself an awfully valuable motorcycle.
There's got to be some mistake.
I'll give you 50 bucks. You want to double
low rider anyway, so.
Hey, I'll buy it off you for
How much did you
$4 grand right
spend
now.
to
I'll
get
give you
this?
$4 grand cash today.
The internet can blame you for who wins this one.
And easy.
We got a name on it?
Name on it. Okay, what's the number?
Right.
Give me the number first.
This is it.
Oh. The number is 4970.
4970.
That isn't right.
It's a highly
That is
unique
not right.
name. And again, that doesn't mean this person won. They have to be here. So, you got your finger on the clock? 4970 is the ticket number, and it goes out to Squints. Squints.
Are you kidding me?
We heard some hollering.
I was supposed to win.
Is that Squints? Hold on, let's check it out.
Yeah,
let's check it out. 4970, Mr. Squints
that's
from the
Squints right
626. You just won a 2020 Dyna Lowrider S. Hey, be safe out there
that's it
as
for
you
today.
leave. Get home safe to
All
your
right. Well, that's it for Born Free.
Get home
I
safe
didn't
to your
win,
families.
but
Be
we had a good
careful on
time
the grass.
anyways.
Be careful on the road. Thank you so much for coming to Born Free 2021. We made it through the end of the world.
That's all today.
You guys are
great
all
time.
the best.
Saw a lot of cool people. Saw a lot of cool things, and
Congratulations to Squints.
you guys have a
Dreams
good
are
one.
made.
Yeah. All right. Born Free. Everybody have a good one. Be safe. Remember
Thank
to
you,
subscribe to my
everybody.
channel.
Thank you.
Hit the like button on the like videos.
Harley
Comment
Davidson
often.
and
Get
all of our
notified. The whole 9
sponsors.
yards.
Thank you to the Eyes
And a long
Brothers.
day
Thank
today.
you
It's
to
time to go. So thank
every
you very
person,
much.
all
All
the
right. We'll
people
see you
standing
again.
for all the
Continue to watch
builders.
the Blues Hard Biker and be careful.
All the